Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Chef Architect tutorial how to create hole in wall. So for example, you can draw a wall and then I will move to perspective view. Insert the window to create walls. I will use this window tools and then I will click at this point to insert the window. The next, you can double click on the window to move into window specification dialog box. And in this option for casing, you can uncheck. The next for sash, uncheck. For shields, you can uncheck. And the next for frame, we can uncheck. You can click OK to set. So it will be create hole in this wall. If you want to create for the circle hole, you can double click again in the window and then go to arch. You can set into round top like this and then check for reflect vertically. Click OK to apply. Now you can resize the window to make hole like this. Okay, that's it for a basic Chef Architect tutorial how to make hole in wall. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.